Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And to this video, I will show you how to insert true or false symbol or icon in your Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Microsoft Word, and then you can make sure you are working with this particular font name right here. Okay, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make a type. Then go ahead and type in 27 14, then press Alt and X on your keyboard. Then you have the true mark right here. You can come to the font size. You can increase the font size as the case may be, just like so. Now let's go ahead and see how you can get false. Then press Enter key to move to the next paragraph right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make a type. So go ahead and type in 27, 18, then press Alt and X. Then you have it right here. It's that simple. It's that simple. So one more thing right here, you can change their color, highlight on it, then come to the color right here. You can fill it with whatever color of your choice. This is green right here. You can also change to another type of green. And then this is false right here. We can easily change this to another color like this type of red. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.